Sandhya Mridul. I'm not somebody who visits spas very often. I'm not somebody who likes to spoil myself very often. So I think it's high time I do it. I've worked very hard and I need a break. I need to be spoiled and I need to feel like a woman. So here I am. Come, spend some good time with me. Thank you. There are a few things that make me speechless. This head massage is one of them. When I was a kid, my nanny used to oil my hair almost every Sunday, I think, if not more than that. And she used to make some mixture of camphor and lauki and amla and so it was a very regular thing. And after that, she used to put some other stuff, also besan and curd. Since then, one really hasn't done much. And I think right now when he was doing my head massage, I think I have a brain damage because there are a lot of points which he says in my neck and shoulders which have very big knots. So right now I'm feeling completely like there's one pain which was very majorly on my head which has gone off right now. I don't know, I'm feeling very light and I would rather just sleep than talk to you people right now, honestly. I think olive oil itself is very good for hair. My hair is very dry. Starting superficially, a head massage is first very good because it's very good for the hair. And then of course the scalp, there's a lot of dryness in scalps. I think all of us actors are, there's a lot of abuse to our scalp and our hair, and it's very important to nourish, to not let those poor cells die, to keep shaking them till they get up. Also, here I don't know whether it's a sinus or what, but I have severe pain here, and especially I think when I'm stressed. I've been traveling a lot, I've been working a lot, I've been thinking a lot, I've been stressing a lot. I was a part of a crazy reality show which took my brains apart. So more than anything, for de-stressing, to attack those points that are hurting, to massage them is extremely relaxing. And I think a head massage is an absolute must for your hair, for your scalp, for your head, and for your general peace of mind. Head massages are also a must for circulation. Actually, all massages, the head massage of course, dealing with the head is a must for blood circulation. And especially people who know the movements, the correct movements, I think it will really kind of spur up everything inside the head. I think it's a very, very healthy thing to do, to unwind, to release, to de-stress, for the basic health and happiness of your hair and your head and your scalp. I do try to look after myself on my own. I'm not somebody who, like I said, visits spas very often. But I grew up with a very desi upbringing. Like I said, my nani making some oil which she was mixing with kapoor and lauki and all of that, and putting besan and dahi in my hair. And I use besan for soap, and I still have besan in my bathroom, which I wash my face off with very often. I put dahi on my face, if I'm not feeling very fresh or if I'm feeling very tired. I still do that when I get the time, and I put, curd and honey and egg, mix it up and put it in my hair. It stinks terribly. I have to warn you, nobody wants to come near you, but it's very good for the hair, and I try and do that as much as possible. Yeah, and the rest of it, I try and do natural things. Actually, I grew up with that. I like to go to places which do that.